Hello guys and welcome again. So now it's time to upload vEdge to vManager by using the vEdge list or one edge list. So before we doing that, we need to configure this vEdge, okay, in the basic configuration as we did before. So I'm gonna give the system IP, set ID, and also mention the vbound and so on, okay. So let's move directly to my vEdge. So let's click here. Now I am in the vEdge. So this is the first time to open this device. Here now it asked me about the password. Okay. So here I have vEdge. Let's do one thing, configuration system. So first of all, I need to change the name of this vEdge. Let's put it like vEdge1. Okay, system IP I'm give here 168.200. Let's give 1 2 3 4. Okay, then site ID also I will keep it 4, and the organization is very important, Husam Net, and also SP organization name Husam Net. Good. And also need to mention vbound is 192.168.221. Okay, 21, sorry. After that, we need to configure giga01, which is this interface. Okay, VPN 0 interface. Make sure make sure this is giga01, so J, E, and 01. Okay. After that, I need to give an IP 192.168.24/24. Now shut down, and also I need to enable encapsulation interface tunnel. Okay. Encapsulation IPsec. Okay. And also I need to allow service like SSH and netconf, and also stone. Okay, and also I need maybe HTTPS. Okay, then commit. 1 minute. So here I have an error. Okay, VPN 0, only one tunnel interface with the color default allowed. Okay, let's double check what's going on here. No, I don't want to cancel. Okay, cancel. Okay, so if we doing here the tunnels. Okay, tunnel, I am in the tunnel already. So here ask about the color. Okay, we can give here the color, or let's put it as internet. Okay, this internet business. Okay, so we're gonna speak about this later on, no problem. Let's commit now. Now commit is working, so double check show run. Okay, good. Let's try to ping 192.168.21. So to the vbound is success. If I can see any show connection or show control connection, nothing. Why? Because the one or the SD-WAN fabric still not pre-authorized this device, so it's normal. Let's do the same also for vEdge2. Then we move to activation. So here admin, also admin. Okay, let's keep admin. And here for the system I need to change the host name as vEdge to site ID. Let's do it 5, system IP 192.168.205, and also organization name Husam net and SP organization name. Okay, good. And vbound 192.168.25. Okay, good. Interface, or sorry, VPN 0. And here interface 1 minute. So here I'm using Ethernet 0. So no, should be Giga, because because for the transport for vEdge we use Giga 0. Okay, let's change it. I'm gonna change it to Giga 01. Okay, good. Now interface Giga 01. Okay, IP address 192.168.2. Oh, sorry. Here I do 5, so vbound is 1, not 5. Sorry, it's my mistake. Okay, vbound 192.168.21. Okay, now is correct. Interface Giga 01. Okay, IP address 192.168.25/24. No shutdown. Okay, now it's good. Tunnel interface encapsulation IPsec allow service SSH. Okay, netconf HTTPS and SD-WAN. Okay, commits. Okay, so the color, let's do the same. Business internet commit. Great. And if we try to ping to my vbound, okay, ping is success. Show control connection, nothing, because still not trust this device. Okay, it's clear. So now we need to install or pre-authorize those devices. Okay, then we try to upload it in the vManager. Okay, so to make the video short, okay, so we do that in another video. Thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in next video.